Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making peach cobbler. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's peach season, y'all. It's peaches in Alabama, so we're gonna go ahead and make peach cobbler with Chilton County peaches. Okay, so the first thing I did was cut up a little over 4 cups of peaches. I'm going to combine the peaches, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into a large pot. I'm going to stir this all together, bring it to a boil, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes on low. While that's boiling, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 degrees. While my oven's preheated, I'm going to melt a stick of butter in the pan. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk in a bowl, and stir these ingredients together. Now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now I'm going to take the flour mixture and pour it over the butter mixture. Now I'm going to pour the peaches on top of the flour mixture without mixing it. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes and it's ready to get out of the oven. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks so good. Let me put it over. I'm gonna let it sit there for probably 10 minutes just to let it cool off and shrink back down a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and taste test it for you guys. Okay. So let's taste test. I have it here with ice cream and alone. I'm so excited. That is delicious. The fresh peaches really make a huge difference. So if you can get to fresh peaches, go ahead and do that. Also this is the easiest peach cobbler recipe that I've ever made. So I would really recommend trying this one. If you have a more complicated one, just go ahead and give this one a try because it's so good. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And on the 20th video, there'll be another giveaway. Bye.